Hello friends, welcome back to new video from Technary.com. So we have today interesting news for you. The audio brand Wings has launched two devices into the Indian market. So these are Wings Vader 350 headphones and Wings Upbeat 101 speaker. So let us have a look at the features of both these devices. So let's start with the Wings Vader 350 headphones. So let's talk about its features. So these are the most powerful ever headphone by Wings for an awesome gaming experience. So these are over-ear headphones. So there are large dynamic drivers for rich sound. There's also super low latency for lag-free audio. There's ergonomically designed adjustable microphone and a dedicated gaming mode option. This device is able to provide the best of highs and mids with deep bass and zero distortion as per the brand. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.2 chipset and has speed sync for instant pairing. The battery can last up to 20 hours, which is awesome for non-stop entertainment. So the device is super light and has extra soft earmuffs for comfortable use for long hours. It has adjustable headband and microphone boom for the perfect fit. So it is having a price of rupees 1399. If you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount. So let's talk about the Wings Upbeat 101 speaker. Let's talk about its features. So this is a compact and portable 5-watt party speaker which can be used in any occasion. It has 5-watt output and RGB lights. As per the company, it is said to have clear and crisp sound for all your music. You can enjoy podcasts and videos with ease. It has TWS functionality which helps you to allow two upbeats to be paired for a 10-watt stereo party speaker system or a multi-room audio experience. It comes with an awesome battery life of up to 20 hours. So there is also a shoulder strap provided with the device. So it is having a price of rupees 999. So if you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount on these speakers. Kindly like the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Kindly share and do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.